Bhavesh Shah is a very big name from Calcutta market. He is a very good friend of mine. And Preksha is Bhavesh Bhai's daughter. Preksha, it's a big task on your shoulder when you join your father's business because your father is already created a big legacy and big brand in the Calcutta market. Can you tell me how you implement the innovative ideas in your father's business where you will be go next level?
Thank you so much, Uncle, for the question, and thank you, Alpa ma'am, for such a wonderful opportunity. So I'll give a very small background about myself. I have never, grown up dreaming about markets or, charts or reports, stock market, nothing of it. I came from fashion industry, and this is a 360-degree turn for me. But what stayed me was when I saw my father all these years, something very rare in today's world, which is earned trust, the consistency and the responsibility and the relationships he's been built, as you said, over all these years. And I am here to not to replace the old tradition, but to modernize it a little, bringing my fresh lens into the business. I think there are three ways in which I bring in innovativeness. First is, clear communication. One is when you use a simpler language. When, you start using words like, why rather than how much. When you replace numbers with what exactly is the goal behind, investment. This is something when you actually understand the client's, needs and wants, and you can cater them better. Second, I feel is the use of technology, as my fellow members said, that technology is a very powerful tool right now. Digital media, social medias, your presence is very important, not to replace human, but to use it in such a way that everybody has that convenience and that comfort when it comes to investing with us. And third is, I feel, Gen Z mindset. Being a Gen Z myself, I can understand the quick, responses, the need and, clearer and shorter content to cater to their needs. So I am here bringing a new perspective into the business, and that experience with, my learnings is something that I want to take forward.
Great.
Thank
great.
you.